Dive into how PowerBI transforms real-time data into actionable insights. Real-time data analysis means accessing and analyzing data as it is generated instantly. This allows businesses to make faster, data-backed decisions. PowerBI supports real-time data streaming, allowing dashboards to update automatically. It integrates with Azure Stream Analytics, IoT hubs, APIs, and more. Step 1. Collect data using Azure Stream Analytics. Step 2. Connect the stream to a PowerBI dataset. Step 3. Create visuals with PowerBI. Step 4. Pin visuals to a dashboard for live updates. Industries are using PowerBI to monitor website traffic, sales performance, supply chains, factory sensor data. Mastering PowerBI gives you a competitive edge. Join our PowerBI course at MindCypress and turn data into smart decisions, live in real time.